Hello everyone, welcome to the Famous Mommy channel on YouTube. If you could just take 1 second and subscribe to our channel below, we'd really appreciate it. Click on that little bell so you'll never miss an episode and give us some thumbs up. Thank you. Here is my hack, my dollar store hack for when you have 2 Tasmanian devils that live in your house that are called little children, especially little toddlers under the age of 2. So my dollar store hack today is this thing. Oh my gosh. Whoa. It works wonders. I'm telling you. Snacks and everything that get on the floor. You know, I know some people say like maybe a dust devil would work good too, but if you don't have the money to buy a dust devil and you definitely want to, calling mommy. Oh, what's the matter? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Oh. Somebody, I think, wants something. Here, Mama, come here. Here, okay, hold on. Always got to stop for the kiddos, right? Here. You want? No, she doesn't even want to drink. Okay, so. La-dee-da-dee-dee-dee. La-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dee-dee. Are you okay? What's the matter, Mama? Oh, she was fussing. I'm trying to make a video for you guys and show you my dollar hack. And my baby starts crying and she wants to play in the little mess down here. And I don't want to let her play in it yet because I want to show you how to clean it first. Oh, babe. Oh, my little honey. Come here. So, baby, say, can we sing? You want to sing? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. What is it, the wipers? The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. It's nap time right now. And she just had her little nosh, and now she wants to like crawl around and get into the dirt. Oh no, you're on my hair, Mama. Oh no, what's the matter? Oh, okay, let's sing again. Oh no, let's sing again. Come here, let's sing again. Come here, let me see. Oh baby, come here, Mama. Ready? Let's sing. Angel butterflies twinkling in your eyes. Little sandman coming in disguise. The sun is setting for the day. Flutter by as you drift away. Let all your fears fade away. That worked. For a second. We have a very fussy baby today on our hands, so I need to clean a little bit of the house and take care of the baby. And I think she's really fussy because she's teething. We are getting 2 more teeth here and here, I think, are the ones that she's getting. So she's a bit fussy. So let's see if I can finish this hack video. Come here, sweetie. Okay, come. Oh no! Now we're having a full meltdown. Now we are having a full meltdown. Do you want a boob? Oh, you want a boob? Oh no! Here we go. This is our ridiculous mess that my kids make on a daily basis. Like, this is ridiculous. Be nice, guys. They're right in front of me, and they're not the nicest kids to each other right now. So this thing works so easy. You know, you just gotta sweep up your mess real quick. And it's great for handling little messes on the floor. It's only $1, so if you don't have enough money to buy other things, look at this mess. This is from crackers and toast and things of that nature, and one of Daddy's popsicle sticks, huh? I wonder how that ended up on the floor. Papa. Oh my goodness. We have 3 Tasmanian devils that live in this house. So it's very simple. Yep. You just sweep it into there and like broom in a thing. But it was $1. So I think it was great. You know, so no. Mess cleaned up. That's my little dollar store hack for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, another dollar store hack is you can find these wonderful things that go in the wall so that the babies can't play in the electrical things. So that's a lot safer for your baby to have that. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Sorry about all the craziness. This is my life on a daily basis. Real life, real mom, real time. Thank you for watching The Famous Mommy. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel below and like our videos, and we'll see you in the next one. I gotta go attend to my little one.